Hello everyone, welcome to Unify Study. Yes, I know all of you are asking for the what going on till now, why admit card is not coming. Definitely I will give you the answer that why admit card is not coming, what is happening, what can be happen. All of you are confused, I know that, that's why I have I am uploading the video. But before going to that, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get all the latest update about UGC NET, and to fulfill your preparation. You can do your preparation using free of cost. The free of cost every day 4:30 p.m. live class is going on for the paper 1. Live mock test is going on. There I am explaining all the each and every question from the teaching, research, all the unit, and also mathematical question, DI, how to attempt, how to eliminate, how to do, how to learn, how to do quick revision, everything I am discussing there. So please try to subscribe to the channel and please try to attend the live class 4:30 p.m. This live class will be definitely helpful for you all. And this is about myself. I am Priyanka Chatterjee, UGC NET qualified with 99.46 percentile. So from my experience I am trying to guide you. Okay. And our strategy is less is more, because there is less time. Definitely don't think that the exam will not be held. Okay. So let's see, let's go to the website. Today is already 10th September. Today is already 10th September, and this is my channel. Here in this channel you can go to the playlist. This playlist you can see that UGC NET paper 1 PYQS, all the December PYQS you will get here, all with the analysis, with the explanation, it is there. Okay, so you can check it. And this is the website. Here you can attempt the mock test. The full length mock test is already there. 50 question is already there. Data interpretation, reading comprehension, everything is there. Time bound mock test, you can avail the mock test. Now see, come to the UGC NET website. See here in the UGC NET website what they are doing, that till now see there is no update. But what I am thinking, maybe that this is the nature of NTA. जिस दिन से NTA आए हैं, they are very happy with giving the surprise. Always they are giving the surprise to the student. So surprisingly they already declared the exam date, that is 16th September. But till now this is the 10th September when I am recording the video. It is already 5 past 50, that is near about 6 p.m. So this is the time of closing the office. So definitely I think today there is no chance more that they will release admit card. So what it is going on, why they are not releasing the admit card? Maybe, I don't know my assumption is true or not, maybe that they don't want to take the risk, that is after releasing the admit card again there will be we will go to court, there will be some petition in court, we will try to postpone the exam. So they don't want to postpone the exam, and they don't want to give the chance to the public, and they are enjoying it that everyone is worried about admit card, and they will satisfy that till now we are not releasing the admit card, but all the students was very much worried about that when the admit card will come. Maybe that is their point. Before NEET they proved that most of the student, that 90% of the student already downloaded the admit card. So that's why they prove they are interested for the exam. Now our planning was that before some days I have uploaded a video that we will not download the admit card. That's why maybe they are not releasing the admit card till now, because our planning was that till first 7 days we will not download. So they will not give you the chance that you can do anything. So in the last moment they will release the admit card. Be prepared for your exam. Don't think that key exam is going to be postponed. I don't think so, because already NEET is going on and they have done it. So why they will postpone the UGC NET? There is 90% chances there ki exam will be happen, and exam is going to start from 16th September. the process is on hold because they are enjoying the situation. Maybe they are enjoying the situation, that how much worried the student for the admit card and how much worried the student to give the to attempt the exam. Okay, so definitely after releasing the admit card I will upload, definitely I will upload the video, I will inform you. So please आप प्रिपरेशन करते रहिए, डोंट स्टॉप योर प्रिपरेशन एंड स्टे ट्यून विद दिस चैनल एंड सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल and click the bell icon to get all the latest update, and try to attempt the free mock test, free live classes. Here in my website free mock test is there, in my channel the free live classes is there, and here all the analysis is there. Here you can see previous year's question also, here you can see the paper 1 previous year's question already there with the official answer key. ठीक है, you can check it, and after checking if you want that how the explanation, where the explanation, I have uploaded everything, explanation is there in my video. ठीक है, so I think this video will be helpful for you all. Maybe because all of the students are asking when admit card is coming, that's why I have uploaded this video. There is no update till now, so I can do anything. It is not in my hand, it is totally depend on the official website. So stay tuned with this channel. Thank you, have a good day, bye bye.